Hi, this is Coe from Knowledge Architecture. Boulder has created a nifty guide to using their intranet, biscuitnet, aptly named biscuitnet 101. biscuitnet 101 can be found in the Home community in the Welcome section, along with I'm New Here and other helpful resources like the story behind why Boulder uses biscuits to brand their intranet. The guide begins with getting started, introducing what the intranet is, i.e. the place to come for firm-wide communications, knowledge sharing, and essential content. Here is a basic image block with the help desk icon aligned to the left and the text aligned to the right. A Mail To link has been added to the image, which will open an email addressed to help desk anywhere you see the orange help icon across the intranet. After the horizontal line, we have a recording of the intranet launch meeting in a basic video block in case you missed it. Below that is a smart post block in grid layout filtering on the hashtag biscuitnet101, limited to the 3 most recent posts with helpful biscuitnet tips and tricks. At the bottom of the page is a basic employee block in compact grid layout identifying the 2 intranet champions. The next page gives more of the whys of the intranet, starting with a description of the single source of truth concept and the intranet team's content maintenance strategy. A couple paragraphs on sharing and communication, a glossary of intranet terms in a table block, and a single image block showing the 4 basic roles and corresponding permissions. Navigating the site starts with a table of contents block, which automatically populates based on the applied heading styles below it. The page uses a combination of images and screenshots to provide instruction on site navigation. There's a page on using search, instructions and tips for how to post, guidelines for using hashtags, here we have user preferences, which outlines all of the ways you, as an end user, can customize the intranet experience to your liking. Finally, we have the hashtag AskBA page, which describes the process of asking and answering technical questions on the intranet, and then displays the most recent activity in a smart post block filtered on the hashtag AskBA. The view is limited to the 8 most recent posts, but I can expand it here to see them all. The biscuitnet 101 guide provides a great introduction to the whys and hows of the intranet, whether you have a quick technical question or are ready for a deep dive into strategy and purpose. Thank you to Boulder for allowing us to share their biscuitnet 101 guide. Please reach out if you have any questions, and happy building!